Have you ever asked ChatGPT a question, and it gave you an answer that sounded incredibly confident, well-structured, and completely wrong? You ask a simple question, and the AI responds with perfect grammar, clear structure, and even shows 95% confidence. But here's the problem. That answer is misleading. The revolution had multiple phases and interpretations. Why does this happen? And more importantly, how do we fix it? Most people blame the AI model when they get bad answers. But here's the truth. 90% of the time, it's not the model's fault. When something goes wrong, we naturally look at the AI. But the real culprit is almost always the prompt. The AI is only as good as the instructions you give it. Bad prompt leads to bad output. It's that simple. So let's look at the 5 most common prompt mistakes that make AI give wrong answers. Mistake number 1. Ambiguity. This happens when your prompt can be interpreted in multiple ways, and the AI picks one you didn't intend. Let's say you write about Python. The AI sees this and thinks, do you mean the snake, the programming language, or Monty Python? Without clarity, the AI makes a guess, and that guess might not match what you wanted. The fix: be specific. Write a beginner tutorial about Python programming language, focusing on data types. Now there's no confusion. Mistake number 2. Missing context. The AI doesn't know anything about your situation, your audience, or your goals unless you tell it. Think of it this way: the AI is blindfolded to your context. When you just say, explain quantum computing, the AI has to guess. Who's the audience? What's their knowledge level? How detailed should it be? What's the purpose? All of these are question marks for the AI. The fix: provide context. Explain quantum computing to a high school student with no physics background. Use simple analogies. Goal: spark curiosity, not teach math. Now the AI knows exactly what you need. You've removed the blindfold. Mistake number 3. Conflicting instructions. This is when you ask for 2 things that can't both be true at the same time. Imagine telling someone to go left and right at the same time. Here's a real example. Write a comprehensive, detailed guide, but keep it brief in under 100 words. Comprehensive and detailed means thorough and long. Brief in under 100 words means short and concise. These 2 requirements clash. The AI has to pick one, and it might not be the one you wanted. The fix: choose one priority. Either ask for comprehensive and detailed, or ask for brief and concise. But not both. Mistake number 4. Assuming the AI knows your goal. The AI doesn't read your mind. It only knows what you explicitly tell it. You have all these goals and requirements in your head. But the AI, it sees nothing. So when you just say, explain neural networks, the AI doesn't know it's for a presentation, or that you need examples, or that your audience is technical. All that context stays in your head. It never reaches the AI. The fix: make your goals explicit. Explain neural networks for a 5-minute technical presentation. Include 2 to 3 real-world examples. Focus on how they learn. And assume a computer science background. Now the AI knows your goal. Mistake number 5. Overloading the prompt. This is when you try to cram 10 different requests into one prompt. Imagine someone asking you to write an essay that's funny but formal, short but comprehensive, with statistics, quotes, examples, and bullet points, all at the same time. The AI gets overwhelmed. It can't prioritize. It can't focus. So it either ignores some requests or does all of them poorly. Here's what an overloaded prompt looks like. The fix: break it down. One clear task per prompt. First, write the essay. Then add statistics. Then format it. Each prompt has one clear job. Now, let's zoom out. Notice the pattern behind all 5 mistakes? They all share one thing in common: unclear communication. Every single mistake is about not being clear enough with what you want. The AI isn't psychic. It can only work with what you give it. So the solution to all of these: be clear, be specific, and be complete in your prompts. Let's recap. Ambiguous prompts create confused AI. Missing context leads to wrong assumptions. Conflicting instructions force poor choices. Assuming the AI knows your goals gives incomplete results. And overloading overwhelms the AI. The good news: these are all easy to fix once you know how to structure your prompts properly. In the next video, we'll learn the anatomy of a good prompt using the CRAFT framework. A simple 5-step system for writing prompts that actually work.